Hello. I've been speaking to a partner and realized that there's going to be some redeployment of John Lewis' partner into Waitrose. So I thought I'd come up with this spreadsheet to help the planning process. I don't know too much about it, but I use my imagination to think what could be needed in terms of storage of the data. Yeah. So let me explain to you my thought. Of course, this is just a draft. I can add different functions to it. I can modify it. Um, if you like it, I can work more on it. Yeah. Okay. Um, this video is only 5 minutes because that's my limitation. I might need to do another video on top of this one. And so if here you can actually select the entire branch name. So I'm just going to type in H and then just scroll and choose a name. Now, I hope she doesn't mind me using her name. Now, let's just say you've selected the name and already you can actually see this person's rota on a particular, well, today's date. And then you can actually select and see what other day she's in. So yeah, so this is actually to see when she's in on a particular day. And so for this particular partner, she might have told you what branch she prefer to work in, or the closest one to her. Now I got all of these I have got all of these waitresses from the Google, and I literally went and copied all of this. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I've copied 6 different tabs of waitresses in London. And so the database is actually Waitrose London. Okay, so I got different columns. Let me explain to you the database. I copy and paste the data on this column and I'll refine the data. So it is literally just the location, name and phone number. And then I'll tell you whether this is a little Waitrose or a proper Waitrose or shell Waitrose. And then I'll give you opportunity to type in who to report to if the partner do turn up for work. You might know some managers that work there that you want them to report to, you see, on the first day. And so on the selection process, this is where they tell you what they preferred. And so you select a place that there is a need, select to work, and then of course you will have the conversation with the partner. And let's just say she agreed. Okay, then you can actually start to type in the date that they start to work. And hold on. Yeah, I think maybe 7th would be better. Yeah, this is just the tense, and then the particular time, because everybody needs a start time, right? Okay, let me just color this. All right, so once you got this information, so this is Jack. Okay, so you can go to the letter and just type in Jack. And so you have like a letter, and it will say, oh, you have been selected to go to this branch with the phone number. And then you have the start date, the time, you're reporting to the Waitrose manager. Remember, you change it here, and that will be updated onto the letter. And then I got 29 seconds. Okay. And then this part is the delivery of the letter. You know what department they're working in. I might have to go into another video. This video will be cutting off soon. See you in the next video.